Good morning. In the previous class, we learned about the basic facts of trigonometry. Continuing the basic classes, previous basic classes, we will learn next identities, trigonometrical. There are some trigonometrical identities which can be proved using basic definition of trigonometrical ratios. One of them I would like to prove it. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. We prove it. Before proving it, we should know some basic concepts. Sin theta is not equal to sin into theta. Alone, individually, sin or theta is meaningless. A number is formed when both sin and theta is together. And so sinus theta whole square equals sin square theta. Likewise, all the trigonometrical ratios, cos theta whole square, cos square theta, tan theta whole square, tan square theta, हाँ भेज दीजिए. Tan square theta, cot theta whole square, cot square theta, and so on. Here sin square theta equals sin theta whole square, cos square theta LHS equals cos theta whole square, sin theta equals P by H whole square, cos theta B by H whole square. This will equals P square by H square, B square by H square. This will equal P square plus B square plus by H square. This is equal to H square, which gives 1 equals RHS. In a right triangle, this is theta, this is P, H, B, therefore H square equals P square plus B square, B square equals H square minus P square, P square equals H square minus B square. Similarly, in this way, we can prove all the other trigonometrical identities like sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1 can be proved. Likewise, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta. All the other trigonometrical identities can be proved like this. Now, we will discuss some derivations from every identities. First of all, we select sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. What can be derived from this identity? There are many results which is used in proving other trigonometrical identities. The derivations from this identity can be applied in proving the other trigonometrical identities. So we learn what may be the derivations from this identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. This implies sin square theta equals 1 minus cos square theta. This implies sin theta equals 1 minus cos square theta root under 1 minus cos square theta may be written as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Similarly, cos square theta equals 1 minus sin square theta. This will equals 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, and cos theta equals 1 minus sin square theta root under. These are the derivations from the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. There are many more derivations from this identity. Just see. Sin square theta, sin theta into sin theta equals 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. This will imply sin theta by either of the two will be taken the sides, 1 minus cos theta, then 1 plus cos theta will remain here, and this sin theta may be placed here. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1 may be derived as sin theta by 1 minus cos theta equals 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Here if plus, then here it is minus. Similarly, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta equals cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. Here if minus, then here it is plus. There are two more forms. These can be written in more two forms. Yourself try to write these identities in two more derivations like this. I would like to tell you here 1 plus cos theta, then here sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. One more fact I would like to discuss, which depends on the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, the beautiful derivation. You must see sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. 1 means 2 into 1, 2, 2. All the terms are multiplied by 2, which it may be written equal to 1 plus 1. Take 1 of that side to this side and write 2 sin square theta minus 1, and take this cos square theta on that side and write 1 minus 2 cos square theta, 1 minus 2 cos square theta. This is very beautiful derivation. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, which will give us 2 sin square theta minus 1 equals 1 minus 2 cos square theta. You must learn this relation. 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1 equals 1 minus 2 cos square theta. It may be also written as 2 cos square theta minus 1 equals 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or 2 cos square theta minus 1, bring 1 this side and write with 2 cos square theta as 2 cos square theta minus 1, and bring 2 sin square theta on that side and write 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 2 cos square theta minus 1 equals 1 minus 2 sin square theta. These are some derivations of this identity which can be directly applied to prove the other identities. Now we will see the other identity and what derivations may be taken. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. The second identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. This identity can be proved as h square by b square, p square by b square LCM, h square minus p square equals b square by b square equals 1. So, like sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1 can be proved very easily. Now, derivations. Sec square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta. Also, tan square theta equals sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta equals sec square theta minus 1. These are the two common derivations from the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. Some more interesting derivations. Some more interesting derivation from this identity can be seen. Sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta equals 1. This will give us sec theta minus tan theta equals 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. If here plus, then here it is minus. Here plus, then here minus. Here minus, plus. Here minus, there plus. Here plus, there minus. This is the important result, can be directly applied to prove some other identities. I would like to prove one identity depending on this derivation. See. Prove 1 by sec theta minus tan theta minus 1 by cos theta equals 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. LHS. From LHS 1 by sec theta minus tan theta can be written as sec theta minus tan theta minus sec theta. This implies sec theta minus tan theta sec theta minus sec theta plus tan theta. This can be written as 1 by cos theta minus, and this can be written as 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. One by sec theta minus tan theta minus 1 by cos theta equals 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. This equals RHS. One more identity is to be proved beautifully. One plus 2 sec square theta into tan square theta. You can write 2 tan square theta by cos square theta equals sec 4 theta plus tan 4 theta. Very simple. One can be written as from LHS. One can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta whole square plus 2 tan square theta into sec square theta, and this will equal sec 4 theta plus tan 4 theta, which is RHS. A minus b whole square plus 2ab equals a square plus b square. One more identity based on the first identity. Based on the derivation of first identity, you just see an identity to be proved based on the derivation of the first identity. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals tan theta. From LHS, sin theta can be taken as common from the numerator, and the left 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos theta is taken common from the denominator, remaining 2 cos square theta minus 1, and we have seen 1 minus 2 sin square theta and 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal. Then this will be cancelled. We have sin theta by cos theta equals tan theta equals RHS. Like sec square theta minus tan square theta, all the derivations can be obtained from the third identity, cos sec square theta minus cot square theta equals 1. Now we will solve some more sums. In these sums, you will have to solve many problems based on the value of one trigonometrical ratio have been given, like 3 tan theta equals 4. If 3 tan theta equals 4, find the value of 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta by 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. You see, the sums can be beautifully solved here. We have 3 sin theta by 4 cos theta 4. This will equals 3 sin theta equals 4 cos theta. This will be equals 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta equals 0. We can see 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta equals 0. Therefore, the value of this expression will be taken as 0. Therefore, 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta by 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. This is the simple way to solve this sum equals 0. Then if 3 tan theta equals 4, the value of 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta by 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equals 0. But every sums cannot be solved like this. There are some sums which can be solved by proceeding out of track. If sin theta equals 3 by 5, find the other t ratios. Find the other t ratios. We will solve this sum in two ways. Method 1. Sin theta, then this is 3, this is 5, then you may get ABC triangle. Suppose ABC is a right triangle in which B equals 90 degree, then sin theta equals 3 by P means P by H. P means AB will be equal 3. H means AC will be equals 5. Then using Pythagoras statement, 5 square equals AB square plus BC square, and BC square equals 5 square means 25 minus 9 equals 16 root 4. Then cos theta. Now we have P equals 3K, H equals 5K, and B equals 4K. Then the other t ratios are cos theta equals B by H. B means 4K, H means 5K equals 4 by 5. Since these are written in the form of ratio, so we will always use, remember, we must use always a proportionality constant K with the number, every number, 3, 5 and 4. We should take 3K, 5K and 4K. Tan theta equals P by B. P means 3K, B means 4K. This is equals 3 by 4. Sec theta, 1 by cos theta equals 5 by 4. Cosec theta equals 1 by sin theta equals 5 by 3, and cot theta equals 1 by tan theta equals 4 by 3. In the same way, if the value of one trigonometrical ratio have been given, then we can find the other t ratios. Method 2. Method 2 will teach us the other sums, to solve the other sums also. The second method will teach us to solve the other problems also. Sin theta equals 3 by 5, then cos theta equals, we know, 1 minus sin square theta root 1 minus 9 by 5, 3 by 5 whole square, 9 by 25. You know, 1 minus 9 by 25 means 25 minus 9, 16 by 25, just 4 by 5. Tan theta equals. Now we can derive any other t ratios. Tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. We have sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta 3 by 5, cos theta 4 by 5. This will equals 3 by 4. Reverse cot theta as 1 by tan theta, 4 by 3. Cosec theta 1 by sin theta, and sec theta 1 by cos theta. Thus, this sum will teach us to relate a given trigonometrical ratio with the other trigonometrical ratio. How can we relate the given t ratio with the other t ratios? This method to solve this sum, this method will teach us how can we relate a given trigonometrical ratio with the other trigonometrical ratio. We can solve if sin theta equals m, find express the other t ratios, express the other t ratios as m, cos theta, other t ratios, the first is cos theta equals 1 minus sin square theta root 1 minus m square. Tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta, m by 1 minus m square root. Cot theta, cos theta by sin theta, 1 minus m square root by m, and reverse sec cos theta to get sec theta. Sec theta equals 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta means 1 by 1 minus m square root, and reverse sin theta to get cosec theta. So cosec theta equals 1 by sin theta means 1 by m. Then now we have, if sin theta equals m in the form of m, cos theta equals 1 minus m square root. Tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta, sin theta m, cos theta 1 minus m square root. Cot theta, cos theta by sin theta, cos theta 1 minus m square root by m. Sec theta, reciprocal of cos theta equals 1 by 1 minus m square root. Cosec theta, reciprocal of sin theta equals 1 by m. Likewise, many more problems can be solved, and this will have to do you yourself. Find the problems and solve like this. We get some more result to prove the identities. We can see sec square theta, the sum of sec square theta and cosec square theta as the product of sec square theta and cosec square theta. The sum of sec square theta plus cosec square theta equals sec square theta into cosec square theta. You have to learn this and can be applied directly to solve some more problems. Take LHS. 1 by cos square theta, reciprocal of sec square theta. 1 by sin square theta, reciprocal of cosec square theta. Add by taking LCM cos square theta, sin square theta. You know, when the LCM is written in the form of the product of these denominators, then cross multiply sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta. 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta into 1 by sin square theta, 1 by cos square theta sec square theta, and 1 by sin square theta cosec square theta. Then the sum of sec square theta in plus and cosec square theta equals the product of sec square theta into cosec square theta. This may be directly applied to solve some identities. Many more identities you will have to solve using this derivation. Product of cos theta into tan theta. This may be a question of MCQ. What is the product of cos theta into tan theta? And now you have to given some options. You just solve orally cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, cos theta cancelled, left sin theta. Similarly, sin theta into cot theta equals cos theta. Cos sin theta into cos theta by sin theta cancel, remains cos theta. Prove tan theta, tan square theta minus cos square theta by sin square theta. Tan square theta minus sin square theta, tan square theta plus sin square theta equals sec square theta minus 1 by sec square theta plus 1. This is a simple sum plus 1. Simple sum, take LHS. Taking LHS, sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta by sin square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. Take common sin square theta and cos square theta from both numerator and denominator. Then we will have 1 by cos square theta minus 1 by cos square theta plus 1. This will give us sin square theta cancelled, sec square theta minus 1 by sec square theta plus 1 equals RHS. Now we will have a lot of work. You have to prove many more identities. Now we will learn in next class the numerical values of various trigonometrical ratios, identities for different angles. Thank you.